guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so today I'm gonna be doing the 10 minutes makeup challenge. So my heart is like beating so fast, but I think I'm ready. Yeah, I think I'm ready. So if you want to see how I'm gonna do this, just keep watching. Also remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also watch my other videos as well, and let me stop talking and go straight to the video. So I'm just gonna set a timer. I don't know, every time I want to set a timer on my phone I always go to a calculator. Don't know. Okay, so it's gonna be 10 minutes right there. So it's just gonna be when it's all done. So I'm just gonna start it, and my hands are shaking like okay, so you know what, I'm gonna do a little cheat sheet. I'm gonna put all my brushes that I'm gonna use right here so I see everything and I don't start looking for something. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with something that is quicker for me to do, and do what I am slow at doing last. I think that will work. Okay, ready guys? And timer is on. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay, so I won't be able to like list the stuff, like say what I'm using, but okay, like my hands are shaking that like I can't even like use my brush well. Like this foundation is like, oh, what are you doing? It's so patchy. Like with the way I'm even holding my brush, you can tell I'm holding it right at the tip. So it's like, because my hands are shaking, so it's a better grip on for me, I guess. I don't know, just, oh my god. Used almost a minute to put on my, okay, concealer. Oh no. This is a disaster, guys. Oh man. I'm just gonna use the same brush for everything. Same brush. Oh wow. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to set my face. I doubt that. Wow. Poor face. I don't know if that's a good idea. So, oh my goodness, 7 minutes. Do contour. Oh wow. A mess right here. Okay, I'm gonna line my eyes, line my waterline, because I like to line that. Okay, wow, I already stained my under eye. Okay, take my powder brush. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't even know what the time is. Like, my phone just went blank. Oh, man. My phone is like not even cooperating right now. Okay, how many minutes? Oh my goodness. Can I do it? Okay, lips done. Okay. Oh my goodness, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. My hands are like shaking, like I don't, oh my goodness. Still putting an eye primer, like really. I'm putting an eye primer when I have 5 minutes. I don't even know what I'm supposed to open or close my eyes. I'm just doing everything. Okay, now my hand. Wow. God, I don't know if I can do it. Okay, why am I even doing an eyeshadow, really? Why am I doing an eyeshadow? Should've left it just like that. Oh guys, 4 minutes. Wow. Eyeliner not today. Oh my god, I messed that up. I messed that up. Oh, no time. Guys, my brows are naked. Naked. Brows are naked. Just imagine it goes off when I'm like I do just one brow. That is gonna be funny as because my hands are shaking. I can't even do my brows because my hands are shaking so bad. Like I feel like it's gonna be time up soon, and my brows are gonna look like, oh my goodness, my brows seems to be the worst thing right now. And I feel every second count. I don't even want to look at my phone. Oh my goodness, 2 minutes. I feel my brows are like not even it. You know what? I'm not even gonna struggle with that. Not. To be honest, I'm not gonna struggle with that. Okay. I think I messed up this eyeliner. Like, I wish I could fix it. Like, I think I messed that up a big time. Okay, how many seconds? Did I make it? Okay. Am I okay? Okay, I'm okay. Oh. I think I have time to fix my brows, maybe. Because it's not even time up yet. I'm like, am I done? Maybe I have time to fix my brows. So I would just do that. Since I have like 10 seconds left, I guess. 10 seconds left. I don't know, I feel like this brows are like the worst thing I did. Okay. Time up. Oh, we here, dude. Okay. So, this is the look I did in 10 minutes. Like, okay. Yeah, so this is 10 minutes, so this is the kind of glam. I think my brows are like the worst on here, but yeah, I was like, I didn't want to run out of time doing my brows, but okay. I was a bit nervous. Like, the eyeliner looks a little bit messed up. The eyeshadow looks, I don't know why I went and did the I went and did an eyeshadow look, but I think I would have had like, well, I don't think I would have had time of like thinking like, can I fix my lashes in 30 seconds? I was like, no, I don't think so. So I didn't do that. Like, so I'll try and zoom in so you can see it. But so that is it. The eyeshadow is not that bad, but like the brows, Lord have mercy, is what the brows is like. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and to my new subscribers, welcome guys, welcome. Thank you for clicking the button. So if you want to see more videos, please click and watch my other videos as well, and share my videos, guys. Drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and until next time. I did it. 10 minutes. Rock and roll. Okay. You have to behave yourself. Behave.